Now beta, have a look on illustration number 4. Before starting, I want to tell you that interest on capital is always calculated on opening capital. If opening capital is not given in the question, if opening capital is not given, what will we do? First of all, we will calculate the opening capital. First of all, we will calculate the opening capital. Now, how we will calculate the opening capital? If you remember last year's calculation of opening capital, closing capital, add drawings less net profit less additional capital, additional or fresh capital. Now you will come to calculate the opening capital. This is a small formula. Closing capital, add drawings less net profit and less additional capital. Whatever you have withdrawn you will add back, and whatever you have invested you will deduct. Then you will come to opening capital. This is a small formula. If in question opening capital is not given, instead of opening capital closing capital is given, first of all you have to calculate the opening capital, because interest on capital is always calculated on opening capital. How will you come to know that opening capital is given or closing is given? Big question. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:1. Their capital at the end of the year, what is this? At the end of financial year were rupees 6 lakh and 3 lakh. Means end of the year matlab closing capital is given, not opening is given. End of the year means closing capital is given 6 lakh and 3 lakh during the year. Now A's drawings were 80,000 and the drawings of B were 40,000. A is drawing 80,000 and B is drawing 40,000. A is drawing 80,000, B is drawing 40,000, which had been duly debited to partners' capital account. Profit before charging interest on capital for the year was 80,000. Means this is net profit, and this will be divided both of them in this ratio. Profit is total 80,000 and you have to divide it in this ratio. How will you divide? 3 plus 1 4, 4, 3 plus 1 4. So A's share 60,000 and B's share 20,000. 80,000 total net profit was given. It was divided in 3:1 to A and B. So after dividing 60,000, A will be getting and 20,000 B will be getting. Net profit 60,000 and 20,000. Till now what we have done, closing capital at the end of the year was given, drawings were given, and net profit we have divided in their ratio 3:1. And the same had also been credited in their capital profit sharing ratio. B had brought additional capital 70,000 on 1st October 2016. On 1st October he invested 70,000. Interest on capital 12%. A have not invested additional capital. B have invested 70,000 on 1st October. 1st October you should remember. Now what is the opening capital? Closing capital plus drawing 680 minus 60,000 net profit 620 is the opening capital, right? 3 lakh closing capital plus drawing 40 and net profit 20 deducted, and 70,000 will also be deducted as additional capital. The opening capital is 2,50,000, right bache? Now interest on capital, 12% of 6,20,000 for the whole year, it will be 74,400. 12% of whole year 6,20,000, 12% of 620 for the whole year it is. Now for 2,50,000 12% whole year. For whole year it will be 30,000. But if you remember, he have invested 70,000 in between. It was invested on 1st April. Both of them have invested for 1st April to 31st March. Now he have also invested 70,000 on 1st October. So on 70,000, 12% for 6 months only. On 2,50,000 for whole year, 12% will be charged, and on 70,000, 12% for 6 months will be charged, and it will be 4,200. 34,200. Beta ji, in this question, interest on capital is always calculated on opening capital. If closing capital is given instead of opening capital, first of all we have to calculate the opening capital. And how we will calculate the opening capital? Closing capital plus drawing minus net profit and minus additional capital. He have just invested opening capital, nothing in addition. So 12% of 620 is this interest on capital. Initially he invested 250. 12% of 250 for whole year is 3 lakh, and 70,000 on 70,000, 6 months interest will be charged. 12%, 6 months, 4,200. So total interest on capital will be 34,200. Thank you for watching.